welcome back to March Madness. I'm Cass from Make You Type You Pilates, and of course I missed day one. How unusual. So day one was the hundreds, and day two is the roll up. So we'll start with the hundreds. I'm going to be completely honest, this is one of my least favorite of the Joseph Pilates repertoire, and I don't do it very often in class, and I'm so glad that it's number one. So, and I am also very new at doing Instagram live, so if you're watching me live, be kind. Okay. All right, so we're going to start in the laying position, and you're bringing your chin to your chest, so your feet, your legs, you can be bent, straight, down lower if you're able. I'm going to start with bent because I'm talking. Your spine is imprinted. Your hands are floating. Now the hand movement is a pump, 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 pump. Okay? And the breathing is you breathe in for 5 and then out for 5. And that's basically 1 rep. And you basically do that 10 times and it's the 100. So we are going to start. Are you ready? Everybody, let's go. 3, 2, 1. To go. 20. Did you survive? Okay. Let's stop for a second. Have a breath. Feel all that oxygen in your brain. Woo, so good. Okay, we're going to go for the roll up. Now the roll up, if you are new to Pilates, what's recommended is you get a towel rolled up or a small ball and you place it at the very top of your shoulder blades, because that just changes your range of movement. You don't have to go all the way over the ball, you can stop just there and then come back up. But we are going to start in the laying position. We're going to take our arms nice and long. And we're going to take our hands to the ceiling. We're going to bring our chin to our chest, and this imprints our spine, and we're nice and strong through the core. And we are going to come up, 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 and we're going to pulse forward. The only way to get back down is to do the roll down, which is on a different day, but we're going to roll down today anyway. So rolling down, we come back into that C curl, drop the lower, drop the middle, drop the upper back. Okay, so it's never any ideal to do one of anything, so let's go. Let's just do another 4. And up. Nice pulse over the top. So this one was day 2. It's called the roll. Beautiful. Thank you for joining me, and I will try to stay on task with the days. As you saw from 2024, I'm not that fantastic with that, so you might get day 3 as day 3, and then day 4, 5 together, and then if I miss a few. But by the end of the month, they'll all be done, and I'm actually going to try and do them as lives, and then they will also be uploaded onto the YouTube. So, mwah. I'm going to crawl over there to press stop, but I need my glasses on because otherwise I can't see. And you guys have a fantastic day.